वेलकम टू माई चैनल चिल्ड्रन। आज हम आपको सिखाएंगे अल्फाबेट। A for apple, apple means सेब। B for boy, boy means लड़का। C for cat, cat means बिल्ली। D for dog, dog means कुत्ता। E for elephant, elephant means हाथी। F for fish, fish means मछली। G for grapes, grapes means अंगूर। H for hen, hen means मुर्गी। I for ice cream, ice cream means ice cream। J for jug, jug means jug। K for kite, kite means पतंग। L for lion, lion means शेर। M for monkey, monkey means बंदर। N for nest, nest means घोंसला। O for orange, orange means संतरा। P for peacock, peacock means मोर। Q for queen, queen means रानी। R for rose, rose means गुलाब। S for sun, sun means बेटा। T for tiger, tiger means चीता। U for umbrella, umbrella means छाता। V for van, van means गाड़ी। W for watch, watch means घड़ी। X for X-ray, X-ray means X-ray। Y for yak, yak means pahadi bell। Z for zebra, and subscribe my channel children. Thank you.